Hello, welcome to Jetabi After School Learning on Structural Design. My name is Olusegun. Today, I want to show you how to design. In school, we normally design manually, and it's very, very important that we have the knowledge of manual design. But you know that after school, when it comes to labor world, you cannot be you cannot be designing manually. Understand, when you have to meet up with your client. Is that okay? So in this channel, we are going to be training you on how to design your structure. Just looking at this one now, this drawing is from the architect. Are we together? And you are meant to do what? To design this maybe within 2 days or 3 days, depends on the urgency of the work. Is that okay? So that is that. So in this channel, we are going to be showing you how to design your structures the moment you get it from your architect or from your client, whoever. Is that okay? So that is that. But before then, I want to say, as you are watching this video, to click on what? On the like button. At the same time, if this is your first time in this channel, I want to say you should click on the like button, on the subscribe button. When you click on the subscribe button, or subscribe, and also click on the bell. Is that okay? So that you can have access, you can be notified anytime we upload a video. Is that okay? Looking at this one now, we are going to start from the beginning to the end. Is that okay? That means we are going to start how to go about this and design your structure, and the software we are going to be using, we are going to get to know in the course of the training. Is that okay? So we are going to train you step by step so that you can have confidence, because as you are seeing, this one is what? It's a live project. We are going to be using what? A live project to train you in this channel. Is that okay? All right, that is fine. So for you to have access to this particular design or drawing from beginning to the end, don't forget to click on what? On subscribe button, so that you can be notified, at the same time on the bell, so that you can be notified anytime we upload this particular video. Is that okay? So this is just an introduction to this particular drawing. You can see this is a ground floor plan, and also we have the first floor plan, and we are meant to do what? To design this. Is that okay? So you can now see, if you go through it very well, you can now see bedroom, you can see the staircase, you can see the other bedroom, you can see the toilet, and also the master bedroom, and all of that. Likewise, on the first floor, can you see? Even on the first floor, you can see it, you can see them. Is that okay? So what do you need to look out for, and how do you now go about it? Is that okay? All of this we are going to be explaining in our next part. Is that okay? So that is that. You might receive a drawing like this from DWG, as DWG from your architect, but at times the architect might send you the PDF file. So how do you not convert the PDF file to what? To DWG, because you cannot be working with what? PDF when it's come to design. Is that okay? You have to convert to what? To DWG, which is what? The AutoCAD, for you to be able to what? To do your structural design. Having introduced this particular drawing to you, I want to say, let me now show you how to import or how to convert your your DXF to what? To DWG, whereby you can now continue design. Is that okay? So that is that. So therefore, I will introduce this one now. Let's now see how we can now convert our PDF into what? DWG. Is that okay? So that is that. So for us to start, the first thing to do is to come to this place now. You can see insert. This, what I'm trying to do now, I'm trying to convert the PDF into what? Into DWG. Is that okay? So now I will now come to this place now. I'll click on what? Insert. So under insert, let's wait for it. Under insert, you can now see PDF. Is that okay? This PDF now, I will now click here, click on it. You can now see PDF. So I'll now click on this PDF import. Is that okay? Now wait for it. So you now try to locate where you have your PDF. Is that okay? That you want to convert to DWG. You see, I'm trying to make it so simple. I don't want to go through a complex way. Understand? So with this one, you can grab it at once. So now, at this point now, you now look for where the DWG, sorry, the PDF, where the PDF is. So let me come to this place now. This is under Anthony. You can see 400 square meter new one. So I can now double click on it. So you can now see all the PDFs that I have. You can see some PDF here, isn't it? So now let me see, I'm using this number one. Let's see what I want to convert to DWG is this PDF1. Is that okay? So I'll now click on it. and once I have selected it, I will now come here and click on what you can see. It has appeared here, isn't it? It has appeared here. I will now come here and do what? And click on open. Is that okay? So let's wait for it. So that's brought us to this point now. Assuming we have up to 10, you see all the 10 will have appeared in this place. Is that okay? So that is that. So the next now we need to do now, you don't need to change anything here. Just come to this place and click on what? On OK. Is that okay? If I click on OK now, it's now try to convert to what? To DWG. So I'll click on OK. So and let's wait for it. Is that okay? So now look at this place now. Look at my cursor. Can you see my cursor? You can see my cursor around here. You can now see what's happening here. You can see this place. Now it's trying to convert the PDF into what? DWG. So we have to wait for it and let's see how it will be done. Can you see? It's now moving. Is that okay? So at this point, in case you have not still click on the subscribe button, I want to say you should click on subscribe button and try to tell others about what? About Ojetabi, where we talk about what? Where we talk about designs, structural design after school. Is that okay? All right. So let's see. Can you see? Successfully imported. Can you see now? Can you see we have our dimensions? Can you see? Can you see the dimension? We have everything here. So it has been converted to what? To DWG. Can you see now? So as it is now, we can work on it. Can you see? I can select CP. That's to copy. I can enter. I can copy this. Can you see it now? Can you see? Very easy. Is that okay? So can you see what we are doing now? So that is that. So if I come to this place now, I can click on this one. Can you see? I can also do whatever thing I want to do, just as in an AutoCAD. Is that okay? When you have an AutoCAD, I can come to this place. This is my offset. Understand? I can offset it. Let's say I'm using 225. Is that okay? 225. Let's say 225. Enter. It's okay. I can come to this place. Can you see it now? Perfect. Can you see? So if I take my dimension now and I come to this place, can you see? Perfect. You see I've converted this what do you call it? PDF into what? Into DWG. So if you receive any drawing from the architect in PDF, you don't need to be you don't need to be scared at all. You don't need to be scared. And with this knowledge, you can be bold to do what? To convert the PDF into DWG. So that is that. So you can now see the same thing you are doing in your DWG is what you can do when you receive a drawing on PDF. This is how to convert. You can see how simple it is to convert your PDF into what? Into DWG. Is that okay? So that is that. Whatever thing you want to go about, do you can do it. Even your dimension, you can put your dimension. You can do the same thing. Is that okay? F8. Okay. All right. Is that okay? Let me see. Okay. All right. So can you see now? 1577. Is that okay? Now let's now check the dimension up straight. You can see 1575. Okay. Okay. 1577. So is my point? Is my picking? Is that okay? Is where I picked it. So you can see that how accurate it is. Is that okay? 1577 and 1575. This 1575, the one that came with it, the one I imported. Can you see? And this one is just about 2. Is on what? The issue is on my what? On my picking. Is that okay? So that is that. So you can now see with this knowledge now, I want to say you are going to enjoy this channel. Try to tell people about this channel at the same time. Invite your friends to also subscribe to this channel. Is that okay? So that is that. With this one, you are good to go. Is that okay? That is that. I want to say click on like button at the same time. Subscribe to this channel so that you can be updated in this video that we are about to produce. I'm going to take you from beginning to the of this particular drawing. Is that okay? This is just introduction. I'm going to take you on how to go about it, to design this from beginning to the end. So thank you very much. Till I see you in our next video, I want to say remain blessed. Subscribe and also click on the bell so that you can be notified for the new upload. Is that okay? Thank you. Till I see you next time. Bye.